In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using a embossed background, the Beautiful Bouquet background. So here it is right here, and I'm going to bring over the card pieces that I have. So this is mint macaron, and I forgot I want this. You can check everything out on my website, and I've got the March hostess code because March is coming up. And I'm going to start by using the embossing buddy just to make sure I don't have any fingerprints on there. And then here's the Beautiful Bouquet background. It looks like this. It's really pretty. You could emboss it and then watercolor it, or you could stamp it and color it in with blends or watercolor pencils or whatever, markers. So I'm going to ink this up really well with Versamark, and then I'm going to place this piece on top. Try to get it as straight as possible, and then use a scrap piece of paper, and then you can use your bone folder to really make sure the ink gets on there. And we can lift this up. And then we're going to bring over our beautiful shimmery white embossing powder and just sprinkle some on the card. I'm going to do this half first and then flip it over, and then you can do this half. A little bit more over here. I think I got it all. And then I'm going to just heat it up with the heat tool. And so I don't burn my fingers, I'm just going to flip it over, do the other side. All right, so now I'm just gonna let that hang out for a little bit, and yes, there's going to be glitter everywhere, on your pants, on your face, but it's all good. And then I'm going to use this stamp to stamp the sentiment, and this comes from a bundle. Let me grab that real quick. So Sentimental, and it has different sentiments. And if you want coordinating dies, there's Stitched So Sweetly, and these are my favorite dies right now. I just love these 6 rectangle scallops, and I love these little labels too. So I used the second one right here and the thank you. And so I'm just gonna use a Poppy Parade marker to color right on this stamp. It's a really great way to get more than one color on your stamp at a time. There's lots of techniques using markers coloring on stamps. And then I'm going to do black for the top and the bottom. It looks like I got a little bit of black on the poppy, so I'm going to go back and just kind of touch that up. All right, so now some people huff on it, but I just stamp it fast so that I don't know. I don't know that huffing really does a whole lot. but some people say it does. So now I'm going to place this background right on here. So pretty, lots of glitter. And then I'm going to put some adhesive here so that I can add some macaron, whatever, ribbon. I think it's macaron. And then put this back and forth, little bits. Where's my adhesive? There we go. I'll put that one there. This is how you can create really nice little ribbon element behind your sentiments. And then I can add this right here. So I'll add this. Meanwhile, I'm gonna put this together. So I'll put a little bit of adhesive on this little piece right here. And then I'll put some here. Just kind of all around the edges. And then I notice there's a little piece that I need to poke out. Right here. Should have done it before I glued it. Just gonna get glue on my hands. All right, so now I'm going to use these tweezers to help me place this down. Tweezers are very, very handy. This is from the Poppy dies. They're super cute, and I love that they layer so that you can do the same color, you can do different colors, you can really change it up to be whatever you want it to be and just make a beautiful flower. Make beautiful cards with it too. So I'll just hold that down, or you can get a stamp and just a block and just put that down. And I'm going to put a dimensional on this. And I'm going to put a dimensional on this one. And then actually I'm going to put one on the top and the bottom of this one. I forgot. So I'll just add 2 more. I wanted to try to avoid the ribbon in the middle. So there's that. Now I'm going to add the flower over here. And these guys, I'm just going to put some snail adhesive on and stick these underneath the flower. I never would have thought that Granny Apple Green and Mint Macaron go together. Like, I never would have used them together, but I really, really like how it looks. So it's fun to try different color combinations. I saw this color combination in the catalog. This is a modified card from the catalog. So I think I put this under the ribbon, so I'll tuck it under the ribbon here. And there we have our pretty sentiment card. Here it is right here. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Subscribe to my channel to check out all my other videos that I do. I usually do them weekly now. And you can also go to my Facebook page, facebook.com/Elaine's Creations, and I do a weekly Facebook Live at 9. So I invite you, Pacific time. So I invite you to join me Tuesdays at 9 Pacific time, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.